Hello friend, in this video I am going to explain MEMS material. So generally MEMS material divide in four groups: metal and metal alloys, polymers material for MEMS, ceramic material and composite material. So now I am discuss polymers for MEMS. So I will discuss on polymer, and polymer are extensively used as a structural and functional material for micro device and MEMS. Polymer can be used as a structural as well as it can be used as a functional material. So that is a good properties. Polymers material is elasticity, optical properties. So these are the main advantage of this polymer. Because of that, it can be used as the structural material for MEMS. Second one is polymer strain gauges and capacitor serve as a sensing elements for piezoresistivity and capacitive microsensor. So this piezoresistor, and there also you can use the polymer material on a, it can be used as a strain gauge. Third one is electrostatic polymer micro actuator for polyimide. So polyimide is a one class of polymer. It has got electrostatic properties and it is used for making micro actuators. So polyimide based ferrite magnetite composite for magnetic micro actuators. It is another application. And polymer is a electronic material. So polymer as a electronic material, and that electronic material like semiconductor, silicon, germanium. Similarly, poly can be used as a electronic material because nowadays polymer transistor has come up and has successfully fabricated using MEMS. Now and people are thinking a polymer can be used for active device fabrication also, so that both passive and active components and MEMS components can be integrated together, and as a whole total will be known as polymer MEMS. So I will single crystal polymer is also possible. So earlier people could be not think that single crystal as a basically the property of semiconductor material, and here you can have a polymer has a single crystal because you can have certain chain and some series of chains. Polymer chain are created and those chain are regularly repeated in a particular material. If you have arranged those chain in a regular way, then it will be work like a crystal. So thank you.